ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति अभ्यास 48 स्वर्णकारः स्वर्णेन आभूषणानि रचयति किं भविष्यति?
Jeweler using gold makes many orders.
स्वर्णेन तृतीया एकवचनं
Tritiya.
goldsmith through gold, with gold, by gold, whatever dwara.
Yeah, I had one question on this actually. See, like if Rachayati, we say he makes it, right? Now, what would be the Nij Pratyaya on this if he had somebody else to make the gold? What? Because usually we say Nij Pratyaya with that Yati, like. I was just trying to figure out what is the Nij Pratyaya of this Rachana if you make somebody else make the order. I couldn't figure that.
With Nijanta Rupa, this will be Rachayati only, because this is Churadi Gana, na? This is a Churadi Gana Dhatu, Racha. In fact, we can check this here. Rach is a Churadi Gana Dhatu, and for Churadi Gana, what is the Vikarana Pratyaya? I. Churadi Gana is already in a Nijanta Rupa only. Churadibhyo Nij.
I will become, so therefore it will be Rachayati.
That is the Rupa itself. Like Satyapapasha Rupa, Veena Tula Shloka Sena Loma Tvacha Varma Varana Churana Churadibhyo Nich. All of those dhatus will be, their Vikarana Pratyaya is I. So Nijanta is also going to be that only for Churadigana. Like for example, we can check this. This is Kartari. Kartari. And then you go to Nijante Kartari. You see? Rachayati. It will be the same.
Here it can be Banata hai and Banwata hai. Both meaning can be applied to this sentence.
Correct. So if there is some confusion, between Banata hai, Banwata hai, in such cases an alternative dhatu can be used, like Karoti. Karoti dhatu can be used for dhatu.
No, that's right. Because it came up in our brother Neka also where that that Yati, that Nij Pratyaya came.
Yeah.
And we said Ishvara does not do, but he makes it happen. That Atma does not do.
Yeah. In Bhagavad Gita also, Bhagavan says, right, in 9th chapter, Maya Adhyakshena Prakritihi, through Maya Adhyaksha, 10th shloka, Maya Adhyakshena Prakritihi, Suyate Sacharacharam, Hetunanena Konte Jagati Parivartate. I am the supervisor. So basically, I am not making it happen, but it is happening through me in that sense. So that idea is reflected in other texts also. The Vyakarana point of it is, when it is Churadigana Dhatu, like this sutra, right? This sutra is the Mula Sutra, the Mukhya Sutra for Churadigana Dhatu. In Churadigana Dhatu, Vikarana Pratyaya is I. So Nij Pratyaya will not add another I. It is already in I. In Nijanta form, as in Nijanta form. The Chur Dhatu, Chorayati. The Chorayati, if you want to add another Nijanta Pratyaya, it will be Chorayati only. It is not going to be different. Like, you can check that. करोति निजन्ते कर्तरि चोरयति सेम् अग्रे लौहकारः लौहेन पात्राणि रचयति तो लौहकारः इज ब्लैक स्मिथ आयरन सेम स्वर्णकारः गोल्ड लौहकारः आयरन पात्राणि रचयति चर्मकारः चर्मणा पादत्राणम् एंड में अंत में दे अगेन करोति सो रचयति जैसे करोति चर्मकारः तो द कॉबलर चर्मणा कस्मिन् विभक्ति अस्ति चर्मणा तृतीया साधना चर्मणा चर्मणा पादत्राणं करोति कुंभकारः घटं करोति मालाकारः मालां करोति मालां विभक्तिवचनं
द्वितीय
वचनं
प्लूरल
लाइक रमा रमा रमे रमाः देन रमाम एकवचनमे रमाम
एक माला
द्वितीया एकवचनं रमा रमे रमाः रमाम रमे रमाः मालां माले मालाः मालां माले मालाः चित्रकारः चित्रं करोति सेम
Sorry, your voice is very breaking.
अच्छा
You want to shift?
sure the other one also will be bad
Actually,
only.
your internet is not great today. It happened a couple of times.
Okay, 1 second. I'm
Equally
going to switch
ungreat.
it. Better now or worse? Or as bad?
I was just saying, यूके में अच्छा होता है अगर कैलाश आश्रम यहाँ आ जाए तो हम लोग धन्य हो जाएंगे.
Ganga Maya also has to come. But this is better or worse or same?
अभी ठीक है.
It's better.
Okay.
Better.
So if it stays this way, good. If it doesn't, I'll change to another one. Okay, let me know. So चित्रकारः चित्रं करोति. चित्रम also is द्वितीया एकवचनम्. महत्तरः सम्मार्जन्या स्वच्छतां करोति. सम्मार्जन्या, what is this?
Jadu.
हाँ, जाडू करण तृतीया एकवचन.
तृतीया.
हाँ.
जाडू के द्वारा सम्मार्जन्या.
स्वच्छतां करोति. तन्तुवायः वस्त्रं करोति. not much. तन्तुवायः वस्त्रं करोति. So तन्तुवाय जुलाः वीवर टेलर whatever. शिल्पी खटवां करोति. खाट खाट इंग्लिश में although not necessary. हाँ खाट ही है.
जिस पे बैठ.
खाट. So खटवां खाट करोति. खटवां करोति. रचकः
Doesn't have the same feel.
doesn't have the same
Feel like caught you say is very modern. It doesn't have the same emotion.
yeah right. रजकः वस्त्राणां स्वच्छतां च करोति. तो रजकः
धोबी वस्त्र होता है.
सत्यं. So this is all very simple. बहु सुलभानि सन्ति सर्वे शब्दानि वाक्यानि. नरः धर्मेण यशः आप्नोति. अत्र यशः कस्मिन् विभक्ति अस्ति?
It looks like
It is द्वितीया.
द्वितीय एकवचन.
So if it is द्वितीया, then the pratipadika is
There is a sutra for this because of which it is like this.
okay.
It doesn't become yasham, I think.
Which sutra? The pratipadika is yashas. How we had seen that
Yashas.
Manas jaisa.
yes. So manah manasi manamsi, manah manasi manamsi, प्रथमा द्वितीया समानं भवति भवतः. तो यशः यशसि यशांसि, यशः यशसि यशांसि, द्वितीया एकवचनं. सम्यक्. नरः धर्मेण यश आपनोति, धर्म के द्वारा यश पाता है. आपनोतु लकार
Yes.
लोट. आपनोत आपनियात आपस्यति lit. So Vidiling can also be called ling. In many places in Ashtadhyayi also ling is there. Lingas salopo nantasya nantyasya lingasya yut. There are many sutras for ling. So today in Nyaya also that had come, that shabda ling. The ling generally refers to Vidiling. So ling adi, when they say, it is like today it was ling, lot and tavya, all these things. The ones that give vidhana, that kind of prayogas are Vidiling. My voice is still bad or is it okay?
It's not great, but it's okay.
Okay.
It's not as good as the other days.
Yeah,
So it's fine.
the possibility is that this construction may be speaking, bringing more noise over the voice also. That's possible. Okay.
It's fine.
प्राज्ञः सत्येन सुखं प्राप्नोति. तो प्राज्ञः
One who knows, because
करेक्ट.
The,
और
the wise man, the wise man.
तो पर्यायवाची एनी शब्द, एनी पर्यायवाची शब्द.
Vignyaha,
विद्वान is good. Abhaji, which one? What did you say?
I said Vignyaha. Vignyaha.
विज्ञः. विज्ञः वि उपसर्गपूर्वक ज्ञः. Here it is maybe. Vidwan is a natural word. Natural prakritya पर्यायवाची शब्द अस्ति विद्वान. प्राज्ञः विद्वान. Earlier it had come, I think, in one of the abhyasas, vidwan. Satyena sukham prapnoti.
Vignya came to me very naturally. It was, I think I've heard it, that is why.
Some prayoga
Came intuitively, I don't know.
we have to check. If there is some prayoga, we can check. It's not so hard. See?
Pragyaha would be knowledge. Pragyaha would be the one who knows. Is it like that?
They said this shabda had come. That's correct. This shabda had come in Purva Abhyasa. Prajnaha. Why this Prajnaha?
Atasya upasarge.
Atasya upasarge. Shiti, right?
That is the sutra. Atasya upasarge. 31136.
Atasya upasarge. Correct. 31136. That had come in connection with the sutra before that. Igupadhanya prikiraha kaha. 31135. That is the Mulas Mukhya Sutra of that Ka Pratyaya. And Atasya upasarge is the immediate next sutra. 31136. So in that Prabhyasa, I think it had come. So 31136 you said. This Atasya upasarge. The one just immediately before Igupadanya prikiraha kaha. This is for Ka Pratyaya, right? This Ka Pratyaya here, Nyaha has come. So along with that, we also had Prajnaha.
In that abhyasa, both words are given.
Prajna and Prajna both are given.
You have to go down the page a bit.
Here, na? Nya, Nyaha,
Yeah, there it is.
Nyata. And again, they had given Prajnaha, Prajna. Prajna, Prajnaha, Prajna.
And next to it is Vignaha.
Vignaha. Samyak, Abhaji. Vijñah is also correct. See, that is why it is natural. It has stayed in the head in Sukshma. Buddhi.
Yeah, it was very like you say that, right? Shravana memory was very clear. Yes, a hair shabda.
Correct. Prajna, Prajna, Vijna. Samyak, Bahu Samyak. So all these shabdas are correct. Prajna, Vijna, Vidwan. Astu, agre. 48. षष्ठ छात्रः कार्यं समाप्नोति फलञ्च समाप्नोति. समाप्नोति में उपसर्ग
सम्यक आपनोति.
Sama plus apnoti.
सम बस नॉट सम उपसर्ग पूर्वक आपनोति. आप्लृ धातु आपनोति. लट्लकार प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन. कार्यं समाप्नोति. फलञ्च समाप्नोति. बोथ ही इज फिनिशिंग. And ईश्वर
Zero balance.
हाँ ईश्वर त्रिलोकम व्याप्नोति. सो व्याप्नोति में उपसर्ग इज
आपनोति अगर हटाया तो fear.
वी. जैसे विज्ञः
V. Okay. V plus then the E became I.
हाँ वी प्लस आपनोति इको एनर्जी सूत्र विल्वर ई आया वी याप्नोति. ईश्वरः त्रिलोकम व्याप्नोति. So here if you said for example triloke, right? Trilokam is in Dvitiya. If I were to say triloke in Saptami, then you can use Nishtha pratyaya. Sorry, not Nishtha, Shatra pratyaya. Vyaptaha asti, we can say. ईश्वरः त्रिलोके व्याप्तः अस्ति और त्रिलोकम व्याप्नोति. This prayoga is common in Shatra pratyaya. If you want to use the same dhatu in Shatra pratyanta rupa, generally you can make Dvitiya into Saptam. My voice is still bad, I guess, right?
It's okay. It's manageable.
Okay.
It goes off. So ईश्वरः, I have a doubt in that sentence. अगर हमने कहा ईश्वरः त्रिलोके व्याप्नोति, is that not okay?
No. So Triloke, if you say, you have to use Shatra pratyaya. Triloke vyaptaha asti. He is vyapta in Triloka. Or he is vyapnoti where Trilokam. प्रथमा संस्कृत भाषायां किं भविष्यति?
स्वर्णकारः स्वर्णेन सुन्दराणि.
सम्यक्. अग्रे
बहुमूल्यः आभूषणानि रचयति.
सुन्दराणि आभूषणानि. इफ यू से बहुमूल्य आल्सो बहुमूल्यानि. सुन्दराणि बहुमूल्यानि च आभूषणानि रचयति. सम्यक्, सत्यम्. अग्रे द्वितीय
लोहकारः लोहं ताडयति.
तो अग्रे you can use lohakara also. There is a reading some places instead of saying lauhakara you can also say lohakara. दृष्टान्त अस्ति सर्ववेदान्त सिद्धान्त सार संग्रह इति कक्षायां चोर अपि च चौर. Both shabdas, there was a shloka where shloka said one thing and tika said one more thing. Both are correct. Chora chaura dubhayoh samyak. Itivateva lauha loha I think is also correct, because in Chandogya loha manina is there, right? In 6th chapter, that vacharambanam vikaro namadeyam, the second one, yatha mritpindena, in that way there he says yatha lohamanina, not Chandra. This is Generally, mantra pushpam is better, huh? But because I want to see quickly, I am using this. You see? This is 4th chapter, 6th chapter. यथा सौम्येकेन मृत्पिंडेन यथा सौम्येकेन लोहमणिना, not lauhamanina, lohamanina. So both are allowed. This is 615 Chandogya. Lohamanina sarvam lohamayam vijñatam syat vacharambanam vikaro namadeyam. Loham ityeva satyam. They have not said lauham ityeva satyam. So both readings are okay.
Vijñatah shabda came here also.
Vijñatah, correct. Vijñatam is here. Vijñatagum. हाँ, तृतीय, चमार चमड़े से जूता बनाता है.
चर्मकारः चर्मणा, the big word for the juta. पादत्राणम
पादत्राणम करोति.
पादत्राणम करोति.
और पादत्राणी, if you want to say two, पादत्राणम.
Yeah, correct.
कुमार चाक पर मिट्टी से मृतिका. हाँ, this is interesting. What will this be?
कुंभकारः चाक पर. Is it chakre?
Correct. Which vibhakti? Kasmin vibhakti?
On. So 7th, I think.
Satyam. The chakre, if you say it is saptami only. Chakre.
Saptami, yeah.
चक्रे मिट्टी से.
मिट्टी से मतलब ये तृतीय होगा.
हाँ.
थर्ड काया, राइट?
हाँ.
So मृत्तिकाया.
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 मृत्तिकाया. हाँ.
घटम.
हाँ.
निर्माति. रचयति.
रचयति.
Karoti.
Karoti. Nirmati is also correct. Nirmati had come somewhere earlier. Nirmati is new, right? Is it a...
हाँ.
It is correct. It is not wrong. Nirmati. Nirman करने के अर्थ में.
Yeah.
Nirmati, rachayati, whatever. So here this mrit, here it is mrinmayam, mrit pindena in Chandogya. Mrit shabda is used. Mrittike ityeva iti satyam. Mrittika ityeva satyam. So here mrit shabda can also be used instead of mrittika. Mrit is also correct. Mrida it will become. Mrida ghatam rachayati. Ghatam karoti. Agre. Panchama.
Malakarah.
Malakarah. Okay, I will say. Pushpena.
Pushpena. Malakarah pushpena malam karoti.
Karoti. So फूलों से तो
I had done a pushpaihi.
पुष्पैहि. क्यों पुष्पैहि?
पुष्पों से.
हाँ.
So that is
Why
again.
not? Why not pushpena? Why pushpaihi?
Pushpa is not a tool, na?
Okay. Okay. Pushpena is which vibhakti in Vachanam? पुष्पेण इति
चर्मणा जैसा है.
हाँ. तृतीया एकवचनम. एंड पुष्पैः
I don't know. Again, very intuitive. Whatever sounds right, I just do that.
तृतीया बहुवचनम. फूलों से, नॉट फूल से. इसके लिए पुष्पैः.
Okay, plural.
माला बनाता है. मालां करोति. माला रचयति. whatever.
So if we said pushpena, it would become एक पुष्प से.
हाँ, एक पुष्प से. वैसे होगा ना, एक वचन पुष्पेण. षष्ठ. हाँ, किं भविष्यति षष्ठ?
कर्णधारः will be कर्णधारः.
नौकाम.
नौकाम.
नद्याः
देन
तारयति.
नद्याः तारयति, नद्याः तारयति, ओके. और नद्याः, if you want to say तारयति, then you say नद्याम, I guess, crossing the river द्वितीया. नद्याम पार, नद्याः पारम करोति, then you can say नद्याः. नद्याः पारम ले जाता है नी धातु, नयति. जैसे आनय ना, घटम आनय, ब्रिंग, सो यू टेक नय, नयति. नद्याम पारन नयति और नद्याम तारे, नद्याः पारन नयति और नद्याम तारयति, और नदीम तारयति also you can say, I guess, this crossing the river. अस्तु, अग्रे सप्तम. चित्रकारः अग्रे.
एकाः
then
नारिका. नारिका will be नारिका.
आर्याः, सत्यम. तो अगर समास करना है
We
तो
can use
एकायाः.
हाँ, एकायाः नार्याः, ठीक है. समास है
एक नारी.
एक नार्याः also you can say. So yesterday,
Dvigu, right?
हाँ, द्विगु. So yesterday this was the question, right? ये कर्मधारे समास या द्विगु समास प्रथमा विभक्ति एव भवति वा? So it is not necessary that it will be only prathama vibhakti. What is necessary it is samanadhikarana. तो द्वितीया तृतीया में भी it can come. जैसे एक पुष्पेण, बहुपुष्पेण और एक नार्याः, here it is come, right? एक नार्याः, this is not prathama. एकायाः नार्याः षष्ठी है, तो एक नार्याः is samanadhikarana. So द्विगु समास is allowed. It is not necessary that it should be only in prathama. That question it comes.
ये बहुपुष्पेण कैसे बना? Should it not be बहुपुष्पैः?
बहुपुष्पैः, correct. बहुपुष्पैः.
We just learned, I thought.
सत्यम, correct. एक पुष्पेण बहुपुष्पैः. हाँ, बहुपुष्पैः. I think in some stotra, somewhere in Manasika Puja or somewhere maybe Bahupushpaihi Shabda has come. Sounds vague. So the point is, it need not be only in Prathama Vibhakti. Prathama Vibhakti आवश्यकं नास्ति. सर्वे विभक्तयः सम्यक् सन्ति, कुशलानि सन्ति. अग्रे अष्टम. तैली is तैलिकः, then निष्कासयति they are given. So तैलिकः, then तिलों से तेल.
तिलेभ्यः.
हाँ, तिलेभ्यः, then
तैलम. They have already given this na निष्कासयति.
तैलं निष्कासयति. तिलेभ्यः तैलं निष्कासयति. सम्यक्. तिलेभ्यस्तैलं you can say with संधि. अग्रे. दो भी वस्त्रों को धोता है, प्रक्षालयति दिए हैं. ये है रजकः. अग्रे.
रजकः. वासांसि वस्त्र तो पता है.
Why वासांसि?
Many ना.
Correct. वासांसि शब्द, does it ring a bell?
वासांसि जीर्णानि यथा विहाय, वो तो याद है.
वासांसि you can say. So वस्त्राणि वासांसि. उभयोः सत्यम्.
प्रक्षालयति is given.
दशम. तन्तुवायः वस्त्राणि रचयति. आसाम. बुनता है, there is a धातु. वेई धातु. It will come in also samprasaranam sutra. This vein dhatu will come. You know where? Which is a samprasaranam sutra? Main मुख्य द्वे सूत्रे सन्ति. प्रथम सूत्रः प्रथम सूत्रम्
Why is it not coming to mind? One second. Something. Sorry. One second. Come.
Okay, second one I will tell. Second is grahijya vai vyadi vyashti vishtati vishtati prachati bhujati nam iti cha. So first one is
The first one is
think of the dhatu. Which dhatus get samprasaranam?
yeah. Vachiswapi yajadinam.
Satyam. See, if you think of a dhatu, it will come. Vachiswapi yajadinam kiti. So in Vachiswapi yajadinam kiti, yajadi is there, right? Vachiswapi yajadi. Adipadena kim? Adipadaihi kim? So all these are there. Vach, vachi, swapi, yaj. Then vap. All these are adipada. From vap to Toshihi. This is all yajadi mein adi kya hai. So you see in yajadi adi this ve is there. Utavan, utaha, utavan. This dhatu we can use here. So when you go to dhatu pata, you say ve. You see this ve tantu santane. Ve tantu santane to weave, to sew. Bunna. यही है. तो वायति. तंतुवायः वासांसी वायति. You can just use बुनता है. वायति. अग्रे एकादश. भारवाहः भारम. Then भारवाहः भारम.
धारावः धारम वहति. वह दिया है ना यहाँ पे.
वह धातु if you want to use you can say वहति. सत्यम. वहति.
और यूज करेंगे तो नियति आई थिंक.
नयति.
नय.
जैसे आनय. नय. in that नयति. महादेवः काल सांप को धारण करते हैं. तो महादेवः विग्रह. कृष्ण सर्प.
काल सर्प को हम कृष्ण सर्पम कर सकते हैं ना.
महादेवः कृष्ण सर्पम. देन धारयति. So you can say with say धारयन्ति also. आदरार्थे बहुवचनम इति करते हैं. धारयति also is okay. So महांश्च सौ देवः महादेवः. कृष्णश्च सौ सर्पः कृष्ण सर्पम. महादेवः कृष्ण सर्पम धारयति. तालाब में नीलकमल खिल रहे हैं. समास.
नीलोत्पल.
हाँ. तो तालाब
सरसी.
सरसी. और वापी को तड़ागदी.
Tadgi also will come across somewhere.
Which?
Tadgi, I think I thought that.
हाँ, तड़ागे you can say.
Tadage.
तड़ागे. वापी कूप तड़ागादि. That shabda is there in Bridhanike that come. So sarasi, नीलोत्पलम or नीलोत्पल. Sarasi then.
Is विकसित होना धातु in Sanskrit also?
हाँ, विकस. Good, nice धातु. विकसति, विकसन्ति you can say.
Plural है तो विकसन्ति.
हाँ, तो नीलकमल को नीलोत्पलानी. सत्यम. नीलोत्पलानी विकसन्ति. खिल रहे हैं. विकसन्ति इज गुड धातु. चतुर्दश.
पुरुष में पुरुष अधिक है. पहले से
जगति. अग्रे.
Jagati Samsara. Then Supurusha, that is Sundaraha Purushaha. We had that in the word. So Supurushaha. Then Nyunam. That is less. Cha Kupurushaha Adhikam Santi.
The Santi, if you want to say Santi, then you cannot say Supurushaha. सुपुरुषः एकवचनं, सन्ति बहुवचनं.
So you have to say kupurushaha.
सुपुरुषाः न्यूनाः, कुपुरुषाः अधिकाः च सन्ति. अधिक what are the बहु शब्द, बहवः you can say, बहवो ज्ञान.
You can also use the word adhika itself, isn't it?
Correct. अधिकाः is self correct. कुपुरुषाः अधिकाः सन्ति और बहवः सन्ति. My voice is okay or breaking?
No, it's better now.
पंचदश. Panchadasha, the book is different. Book says Kamala, PDF says Nari. Whatever. नारी के मुख कमल को देखो.
नार्याः.
सम्यक्. नार्याः
मुखकमलं
पश्य लकार.
देखो.
लोट. पश्य मे योगमैश्वरम, भगवान says right in 9th chapter, 5th shloka. मया ततमिदं सर्वं जगदव्यक्तमूर्तिना मत्स्थानि सर्वभूतानि न चाहं तेष्वस्थितः न च मत्स्थानि भूतानि पश्य मे योगमैश्वरम. 9.5 अपवाद प्रक्रिया. अस्तु. षोडश. वह धन पाता है, स धनम देन आपनोति. अहम यशा आपनोमि. देन दिस अष्टादश. तू त्वम पुस्तकम. देन आपनोषि. पावे कस्मिन् लकार अस्ति? सविद्या. आपनुहि त्वम. स ये वह है ना. आपनोतु. और विधिलिंग ऑल्सो इज ओके इन दिस कॉन्टेक्स्ट. आपनुयात. aham dhanam, in lot it will be apnavani, and in vidiling apnuyam. So aham dhanam apnavani, aham dhanam apnuyam, uvayoho samyak. ekavimshati tu sukha. Tvam
sukam
आपनुहि. सम्यक. और आपनुयाहा. एंड वह शांति पाएगा. स शांति. देन शांतिम. शांति आप्स्यति. शांति आप्स्यति. अहम ज्ञानम अग्रे आप्स्यामि. सम्यक. तूने यश पाया. त्वम यशः अग्रे पाया. आपनोत इज त्वम. स यश आपनोत. त्वम यश आपनोहो. अहम यश आपनवम. यश आपनवम. और सुख पाया. सुखम आपनवम. अहम कार्यम. देन
समाप्नोति.
अहम समाप्नोमि. Then Ishwaraha. You see here. What would you say? Two ways of saying this. Kim? द्वे प्रयोगे सन्ति.
शत्रुशानत् से व्याप्त अस्ति.
व्याप्तः अस्ति.
व्याप्तः अस्ति.
So that will become with sandhi. With sandhi what will be?
व्याप्तः अस्ति will become व्याप्त व्याप्त
व्याप्तो अस्ति
व्याप्तोस्ति
व्याप्तोऽस्ति
अतोरोरप्लुताद् अप्लुते
अतोरोरुप्लता I cannot complete
Ah.
then अतोरोरुप्लता
दप्लुते
तप्लुते
the ईश्वर okay so ईश्वरः व्याप्तः अस्ति if you want to say then rest of the sentence
त्रिलोके
हाँ त्रिलोके त्रिभुवने
त्रिलोके त्रिभुवने चतुर्युगे
हाँ चतुर्युगों में चतुर्युगों will be बहुवचन
चतुर्युगा हाँ
that is prathama you have to use saptami yugeshu or chaturyuge also is okay chaturyuge is fine so vyaptah asti and then ishwarah trilokam tribhuvanam chaturyugam then chaturyugam cha
then we have to the tritiya like
व्याप्नोति
व्याप्नोति सम्यक व्याप्नोति त्रिलोकम त्रिभुवनम चतुर्युगम व्याप्नोति च व्याप्नोति और त्रिलोके इतिवत् व्याप्तः अस्ति what is the problem here apna aprapnoho aprapnavam ashuddha and prapnoho is shuddha kimartham aprapnoho should be okay right
नहीं जो प्रा है उसके साथ उपसर्ग नहीं लगता है ना
किसके साथ
I think this is an exception for the words with pra.
तो अत्र उपसर्ग किम
Pra is the upasarga actually.
correct
Yes, when pra is the upasarga, then you don't have a added to it.
so what about if you want v as upasarga there is no exception it is rule only this ad agama which will come in lang lakara this comes after the upasarga this does not come for the upasarga pra ya vi iske liye hum bolte hain vyapta na not avipta or something like some avyapta or something you say vyapta vi upasarga purvak apr adagama that akara will not come for the upasarga it will come after the upasarga so pra upasarga apnoho prapnoho not a upasarga prapnoho or a pra apnoho not that way pra then akara then apnoho so pra a will become pra prapnoho for all upasargas this is the rule upasarga ke baad hi at agama or akara not before purva na
I don't know. There is some rule for pra that we studied.
that is different
ना?
na
Context. कुछ तो
हाँ.
मुझे pra click किया.
that is different that is the sandhi karya engi pararupam that sandhi is there engi pararupam we had seen here you see after all this pra and ejati or prejati or something like that there give you an example engi pararupam here you see pra and ejate is prejate it is not praijate vriddhi karya na bhavishyati hai na if you wanted to say pra and a and you wanted to do sandhi what should it be
Prajati if it was normal.
correct but it won't be
It
आकारांत उपसर्ग के बाद धातु का ए को ए या ओ को ए या हो ही रहेगा आई या औ नहीं रहेगा ऐसे दोनों के स्थान पर पररूप हो जाता है जैसा रूप सो अप्र those उपसर्ग है उप also is there उप उपसर्ग पूर्वक also is there they are here so this is that rule for pra upasarga but here it is not that rule here it is different here it is for lang lakara here granthakara is saying lang lakare akara adagama will come after the upasarga trilokeshu tribhuvaneshu chaturyugeshu will be triloke tribhuvane chaturyuge that is why here ईश्वरः त्रिलोके त्रिभुवने चतुर्युगे, चतुर्युगों में, फिर भी चतुर्युगे ही बोलते हैं, चतुर्युगेषु वी विल नॉट से चतुर्युगे बिकॉज ऑफ चतुर्युगे द्विगु समास, बिकॉज ऑफ द्विगु समास इट विल बी चतुर्युगे ओनली. क को लोट लट लिंग लिट वी डिड फॉर आप धातु. आप, प्राप, समाप के परस्मै पद के 10 लकार के पूरे रूप लिखो, देखना है बाद में. कर्मधारय और द्विगु समास किसे कहते हैं? तो कर्मधारय और द्विगु समास आर सब ऑफ व्हाट, विच समास? दिस ऑल इजी.
तत्पुरुष.
तत्पुरुष. तो कर्मधारय शुड कम इन प्रथमा विभक्ति, सत्य अथवा अनृत.
सत्य.
अनृत. कैन इट ओके. प्रथमा कर्मधारय द्वितीया विभक्ति इति अत्र अस्ति, सत्य अथवा अनृत.
Yeah, it is possible.
Possible.
Satya. Possible. Satya.
Possible. It has to be saman adhikarana, that's all.
That's all.
Purva pada, uttara pada should be in one adhikarana. It can be in any vibhakti. That is why we say chaturyuge, for example.
So प्रथमा में क्यों कहा false है?
Prathama eva nasti. Prathama also is okay. Not only in Prathama.
Eva was the shabda there which I did not.
That's why we say Triloke, Tribhuvane. No, see, it is not correct to say Karmadhara is in Prathama. You can say yes, it is in Prathama, not only in Prathama. It is an incomplete sentence. That is a better way of saying. It is not a complete sentence. Triloke, Tribhuvane, Chaturyuge, here Saptami is there, right? Yuge, Loke, Bhuvane. This is all Dvigu, of course. Karmadhara, if you want to take some other thing, you can take Padatranam or something. Some other. Sammarjanya, or that is Shabda itself. Okay. Nilotpalena malam karoti. We can say, na? Nilotpalena malang karoti, or Nilotpalaihi malang karoti. With Nilotpalas. So here Nilotpalaihi, which vibhakti?
नीलकमलों से.
हाँ, तो विभक्ति
पंचमी.
तृतीया.
नीलकमलों के द्वारा.
हाँ. So Nilotpalaihi, see, this is Tritiya vibhakti. This is not Prathama vibhakti, but Nilotpala is still Karmadhara samasa. This is where it becomes interesting. Samana adhikarana is the mukhya here. The examples they had given yesterday, all these examples in this niyama, I think all are Prathama vibhakti. Everything is Prathama. Neela Kamalan, Nilotpalam, Krishna Sarpa, Mahadevaha, Mahatma, Sarve Prathama vibhakti eva. But it is not correct to say, oh, only in Prathama vibhakti Karmadhara will come. Vibhakti will be Samana adhikarana. So it is a descriptor. Astu agre. Dvigu samasa number. Sankhya purvo dvigu. Neelam Kamalam samasa samasta. All samasta padas, what will they be?
What is the question?
Samasta pada of all. So one by one.
Yeah. Mahadevaha, then Dhira Purushaha.
It's just too easy.
Yeah, I'll let Abaji go for the rest.
There is nothing. I can only do this. It is easy enough for me. Ghanashyam.
You will.
This is so easy. Pada Padmam.
Avantika ji will do. She has not said anything.
But Avantika ji knows all this.
I know.
It is too easy for her. Kupurushaha. We'll do the next one. That is more difficult. Kupurushaha, Trilokaha, Trilokam or Trilokaha, whatever. And Shatabda, Shatabdi, Shatabdam, Shatabdi.
What is this Trayanam Lokanam Samaharaha?
Samaharaha. You have to जोड़ना है. ये इसके लिए यहाँ पे दिया ना in संख्या पूर्व देखो. That is how the vigraha is done. For Trilokam. Trilokam, vigraha vakya will be Trayanam Lokanam Samaharaha. That is the vigraha. ये इसका समूह. That is why you say Trilokam. ये तीनों लोक के समूह.
Trilokam. Okay.
तीनों भुवन.
This is a meaningful जोड़ना. This is not शब्दों को सिर्फ जोड़ देना.
सत्यम. Exactly. अग्रे. कृष्ण सर्पः. विग्रहवाक्य विग्रह समास विग्रह
कृष्णः सर्पः
कृष्ण सर्प अथवा कृष्णश्च असौ सर्प सर्प like how they said mahanscha asau devaha mahadeva and karakamalam
it should be Kamalam.
ha then nilotpalam
Neelam Utpalam.
satyam. So here the end you have to see, right? Because they had said in Rigu also Strilinga is possible, not only Napumsakalinga, Strilinga also is possible. The Sundaraha Purushaha and Purusha Vyagra Kim
Purushaha Vyagraha. This is
Eva.
like Ragnya Purushaha.
Purushaha, no, not like Ragnya Purushaha.
No, that is another. That was दूसरा ही समास था.
हाँ, that is Shashti Tat Purusha.
It took so much like that.
Yeah. So Raja Purushaha. Raja Purushaha is that, na? Rajnyaha is Shashti Ekavachanam of Raja Shabda. So Rajnyaha Purusha. But here, this is also not Vyagra Purusha only. Vyagra Purusha Iva or Purusha Vyagra Iva. Like here you see Purusha Vyagra Iva. Purusha Vyagra. The person is not a tiger, he is like a tiger.
Like a tiger.
Chandramukham.
Next one is Chandra Ivamukham.
हाँ.
Chandrasya iva mukham.
Chandra Sadrisham. Comparison. Chandra Sadrisham Mukham Chandra Mukham. Comparison. Eva you can say. Eva. Chandra Eva Mukham. Tribhuvanam.
Rudrayanam,
Bhuvananam.
Bhuvananam. Samahara.
हाँ.
Samahara.
Samahara. Then Panchapatram. Panchanam. Patra. Panchanam Patranam Samahara.
The
Chaturnam.
one that is like joint five, like that, Panchapatra.
Correct. So Panchapatra they say it has all Pancha Maha. Abhaji?
We keep haldi, kumkum, akshat, वो जो वैसा वाला पात्र होता है.
हाँ, not only for that. All Nitya Karma is done with Panchapatra. Like whatever Nitya, Agnihotradi, Sandhya Vandanadi, whatever. Tarpana, Naimitika Karma also. It is for karma. That is, it has Pancha Mahabhuta, you can put there. And also they say that 5 leaves, right? Bilva and Tulasi and all that you can put in Panchapatra and leave as tea inside. That also is there. Panchapatra. Anyway. Chaturyugi, Chaturnam Yuganam. But in Stri Pratyaya, Sri Linga. Panchayojanam, Kim?
Like Panchavashika Yojana.
हाँ. Samasa Vigraha. Today there was a Samasa Vigraha, right? Today Shashti Tatpurusha had come in Brihadaranyaka.
Yes. Shashti Tat. Correct.
Drishtehe something had come. Drishti Vishaya. Drishtehe Vishaya. But this,
Vishayatvam.
correct.
Drishtehe Vishayatvam.
There is Shashti Tatpurusha. But here this is not Shashti Tatpurusha. Panchayojanam will be Dvigu Samasa.
Like this example जो दिया है इन्होंने शतानाम, अब्दानाम, समाहारः.
हाँ.
Hence it became Shatabdi.
हाँ.
Something like this has to be done.
तो पंचपात्रम जैसे ही कर सकते हैं ना.
चतुर्णाम युगानाम समाहारः.
हाँ, that is for Chaturyugi. But Panchayojanam.
चतुर्युगी. पंचयोजन पंचानाम.
Then
योजनाम.
योजनानाम
योजनानाम. समाहारः.
समाहार. पंचानां योजनानां समाहार. प्रश्नो अस्ति वा? किं कोऽपि?
Krishna, not from the lesson, but regarding Sanskritam.
हाँ.
So,
ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः. ओम